All right, my name is Dr. Sabrina Solt, and I am trained as a naturopathic medical doctor, and I've been specializing in regenerative therapies since about 2015 or so. It can be very easily done, just using the right tools. What's really fascinating about Adipose is that we're discovering that it has really incredible regenerative potential, both just as a structural tissue as well as doing further processing for things like stromal vascular fraction. And you can use it mainly in joints and other soft tissues for really wonderful results in things like osteoarthritis. The SVT, which is the stromal vascular tissue, which is basically the micronized fat graft, is completely acceptable as far as the FDA standards go and within the practice of medicine as well. Fat itself is so robust, it really does have, according to some research, arguably the best regenerative potential for autologous therapies in the United States, so I love it. Today, when we were doing a moderate procedure, which was just a simple harvest for a hip, I think start to finish, we were just over 30 minutes, and that was including time with instruction. So any provider, depending if they have the right training, can easily do this, start to finish in their clinic within 30 minutes to 60 minutes, depending on if they add on any additional services for their patient. I think it's the only way to do it. You have to be doing the real life thing in order to get the proper practice. I mean, cadavers, I don't think they provide the right type of experience to make sure that you are safely and effectively applying these therapies. I think it's absolutely worth the time that it takes to come out here, spend a few days here. You're going to walk away with not only a really great deal of knowledge, but also a whole community of people that are going to be there to support you. And that in and of itself is just totally worth it.